In Lagos, a nimble Vervet named Ada swings along the shoreline, inviting viewers to see the city through curious eyes. She spotlights the National Mosque and busy markets, noting Lagos as Nigeria's commercial and cultural crossroads. From her treetop perch, she points to Badagry Beach, historic roots, and the dazzling skyline at dusk. Ada explains Afrobeat rhythms filling the streets and taps a drum to show how music links people and place. By the end, viewers gain practical tips for respectful travel and a new love for Lagos's vibrant heritage.